good morning and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. On this channel I do videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle and vlogs. So if you like any of those, honey, you're gonna stick around and make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe and put your notification bell on so that you don't miss out any video from me. So guys, today is on Thursday and I'm working and I'm just taking my coffee, and then after that I need to go to prepare and start my day. So yeah, so that was the poster guy. So after this I'm rushing to the office because I need to do some few work there, and then after that I need to come back here as soon as possible because I have a Zoom meeting around 12, so I need to be on time. So yeah, I think I'll see you later on in the office. So guys, I just arrived now in my office because I need to do some few work here, and also I need to arrange my office because it's look very bad. I haven't removed my jacket because I just arrived now, and basically now the cold is like it's back. It doesn't even feel like spring because it's damn cold. So that's what I want to do this morning. Let me show you what I want to send. So I'm sending back these printers because I no longer use them. There are two of them, so I'm just packing them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So guys, I'm just back home now. It's around 11:25 and I'm literally trying to prepare for my meeting because I have a meeting in a few minutes. So before that I need to prepare something to drink, and I feel like I need something refreshing. So let's go ahead and make some juice. So I need to prepare something refreshing. I feel like I need to drink something healthy, so I'm gonna go ahead and make beetroot juice. guys, I'm done with my meeting and it's around lunchtime, so let's go ahead and prepare some lunch. And today I want to have some pasta. So this is the pasta I'm cooking for lunch. So guys, it's in the afternoon and I decided to watch the car because this afternoon I don't have something serious to do. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I decided to make cleansing juice for the next morning.